Hi everyone, it's Sue. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a bit different and special because I'll be collaborating with another YouTuber here today. So I'm going to be collaborating with Leia from Cute Cult Collective. And our collaboration is all about skateboard. So Leia and I were both based in San Diego, California. So we wanted to show you what it's like to, or how to pass a skateboard, what is it called? Like a checkup? No, skateboard. What is that called? I don't know, but like when skateboard comes to check in on you and your salon to make sure that you all are, doing what you're supposed to do and all that stuff. So I'm a nail technician, so I'll be showing you how to pass skateboard in a nail salon, and then Leia is an esthetician, and she'll show you how to pass skateboard when you're an esthetician in one of those types of spas. So I will leave her video linked below because she already has one out, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you just have to have a visibly clean workstation. Like there's no debris, dust, things like that when I'm not working with a client. So since the client's not here, it's expected that my workstation be clean, right? In addition to that, if you have, I just found this out, but if you have any type of like nail brushes, like they need to have a cap on them. Everything, when I say everything, I mean everything has to be labeled. So these are new, hand sanitizer. If your product already has like a label on it, like something like this, I didn't have to put the word cleanser on here because this already says, like, swipe and says what it is. This says acetone, so I don't have to, label it acetone. But as long as it has the original label on it, that'll be fine. But if it's something that like this that doesn't have a label, you'll definitely need to label it either new or clean depending on what it is. And so, okay, keep in mind, state board judges based off of cleanliness, not on organization. So don't come for me because my nail desk is not organized at all. Okay, so I have my new files here, and they're covered. So pretty much everything has to be covered and labeled. So that, I've got my polishes and things like that in here. These obviously don't have to be labeled or anything, but yeah. My trash can, you have to label your trash can, so make sure you do that. And what else? I'll take you to the bathroom. Hi! Okay, if you have one of these, this has to, one, be labeled, of course, that's the main point. And this also has to have the cap on it. It has to be covered. If they come in and these are open, you'll get dinged for that. And then of course, like, you want your, restrooms to be, clean and not have, not be dirty and gross, obviously. And then you want to make sure your food is separated. You have your cleaning supplies, towels are put away in its own separate thing. Oh, another thing I forgot, you have to have your license on display for your clients to see. I'm just gonna block my information right there, but make sure that your manicurist license is in an area where they can see it. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you basically just want to keep everything clean and labeled. Make sure you have, you need to have this. So I almost forgot about this. You have to have, make sure you have a container that says soiled so that you can put your soiled implements in. And then a container that will say like new or clean depending on what it is as well. I forgot, but this is my pedicure station. So that's pretty much it. Like, your main goal is to keep things clean and labeled. Make sure you have your license out on display, a valid license, something that's not expired. Make sure you have your barbicide covered up and labeled, of course. And if you want a more in-depth checklist. The state board website does have an actual checklist for you to, you know, check things off to make sure that you're doing it right. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, just don't be dirty, really. I don't know. So yeah, that's how you would pass state board check in a nail salon, I guess. And then Leia of Cute Cult Collective, she has her video on how to pass state board as an esthetician. So go check out her video, and I will see y'all later. Bye.